Former CEO of Asante Kotoko and a legend of Asante Kotoko, Samuel Opoku inti or the Nsema Tuja. Na Nsema or can a strong warning to the Asante Kotoko players. Asante Kotoko players ni titiri. Etira me blogge in some way amayeno. Mr. Kotoko players Nsema Opoku nti ede tuja no. Nsema no very much important. I was say nyina yetie ni ye shena assume na ye de boy kotodwem ahead of Brekum Chelsea game eba so edwoada no. Well, one who say Steven Amankona at the screen also. Yes, no one sem kakra ewa ha. Steven is returning to Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium a Monday because Steven no a Kotoko player, but he say no onye Kotoko player biom obo Brekum Chelsea. He forms part of category omo every Kotoko omo say return and what sem kakra wa ha me bro. Na Opoku ntin sem a ode tu dwa no. And I was stress on that particular one more, especially because ono or a former player board or bobida and was abe see you into a car sema ukra the rightful knowledge and all de kasa. When him say Asante Kotoko in our last 3 games bono, it is 3 wins in a row. Now in a footballer career muno, sa wins ba say ya to the bia or relax it to the extent say the next opponent no ultimate underrated because of recent wins abano. Opoku nti say the Kotoko players in the Monday game or mokono they should go all out like omu bibi here omu pa and say we need 3 in a row nti now we be complacent. Opoku nti nsem o kan no kakra wa ha ma mempoto ema o say the players should not be complacent, but they have to keep on working very hard to win the league. They are getting in good condition and they are gelling well. Opoku nti krade or feel say if the players continue to work hard without complacency, Asante Kotoko can win the league. Of course, we can win this particular league. Sa players no matrimude mema. I tell you, Kotoko, the league is within reach for Asante Kotoko players and for Asante Kotoko. Now, on to Steven Amankona. Steven Amankona Kotoko signing in 2021. Obaye na anshada amfasa inti this year early January ya ne samane call Brekum Chelsea Monday or say back to Babayara. Kotoko players defenders ye ni or forwarder dear Emmanuel Kayeke mobeye wahano ye avoid this annual na yen say ono nso emmebreki akomabia waha even though we wish him all the best in his return to Babayara Sports Stadium, but we have to look out.